Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the best plugins for the Google Analytics which we are going to use, right? The one of the most plugin that is used by some that is you mostly used, that is by Google, that is called the Sitekit, and it has everything. No need to go to set up the search console differently, analytics differently, and AdSense and the speed. One all-in-one plugin they are going to give us, right? So you can install this plugin very well. So you need to just go copy this and go to your website, localhost, WordPress, admin. I'm going to log in. Okay. So go to the plugins, add new. Just type it over here. This one. Install this. There is also called Monster Insights for the Google Analytics. That is also you can install. This is also famous, right? The another one is the Exact Matrices. So let's install that one also. I will show you. This is Monster Analytics plugin inside. This way you can show the sessions and everything with conversion rate, transaction. This plugin do this Monster Insight, and the rest one, that is Exact Matrices. So this is also by using this one dashboard, it will show this Exact Matrices, right? So here I'm using, I will add all this link in the description so you can download the plugin and configure it accordingly, right? So the plugin which I have used, this one, Google site. Let's start setup. So it says sign in with the Google. So I'm going to sign in with the Google. The website appears to be private, not accessible to the public. Okay, so I will not going to configure it because the site is offline, right? Because I'm working in a local system. So you can use the GT Sitekit, and it's very easy. Everything, every features like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and Google Space Site Speed, Google AdSense, all this facility will given by this himself plugin, that's called Google Sitekit, right? So you can use this, and you can also use the Exact Matrices which we have installed. Go to the plugins, Exact Matrices we have installed. No, so you can install the Exact Matrices and Monster Insights also. You can install this plugin. Get started WordPress views. Get started with the Monster Insights. They have the plan also, but you can go over the free version. So Monster Insights WordPress plugin. Monster Insights WordPress plugin. WordPress.org. You will get this monitoring or everything over here, right? 2000 has reviews, right? So you can also install this plugin. You can also search for the Exact Matrices. Exact Matrices. So Google Analytics for the dashboard. You can use this Exact Matrices, right? It has five stars by this personalities and one star is given by most. So that is not recommended. So don't use this, right? So this is the use. You can use the plugins for the. You can have different analytics. Like you can search for Google Analytics, Google Analytics will show you Monster Insight, Exact Sitekit. Share this to WooCommerce, GA Analytics. You can use this GA Analytics also. How many views is 128? So this is not better. So you can most probably you can use G Site, which you have installed earlier, right? So this is the best one, which have the all facilities. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will get the best plugin of the Google Analytics. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.